A new game I made with these tiles here. They're called talking tiles, and more specifically they're called feel and find talking tiles, because we're going to feel them, we're going to feel these things, and we're going to talk about how they feel.
So this one says shiny.
Yeah, we'll start here. This is the easy one. So they might feel soft. What's the opposite of soft? If it's not soft, it's
fluffy.
hard. That's the opposite, right? Soft and hard. Tall, it can be tall, and if it's not tall,
it can be short.
Good. You want to turn it over and see if you're right? Excellent. Long, what's the opposite of being long? If it's not long, it's
small.
Turn it over.
Short?
Yeah, short. Good.
Again?
Yes, you're right. There are two shorts, because this way could be short and this way can be short. So that's very clever. Light means like it's so easy to pick it up. It's light.
Oh, I thought you meant light, like a light bulb.
That's right, but this is the different word of the word light. Like, oh, this is so light.
Is this one heavy?
Good. Turn it over and see. Yes, this dumbbell, like when you do exercises, is heavy. Good. Bumpy. What's the opposite of bumpy?
Smooth.
Good. Nice. Shiny. The opposite of shiny, if it's not shiny, what word do we use?
Fine.
Dull. Yeah, we use the word dull. If
I've
it's
heard of that word, but I never knew
what it meant. Yeah, like for example, this I know, but it's hard to show that it's not shiny. Like this is shiny and this is not shiny. It's dull. There's no shine to it. Yeah, so some of these things are shiny and some are not shiny. They're dull. Okay, so what I want you to do now is pick up the words and the tiles and place it beside something that would feel like that. So for example, you pick up soft and maybe you put it right beside here because the pom-pom is soft.
That's what I was gonna do.
Okay.
So we have that.
Hard. Put it beside something hard. Oh, that's gonna be easy. Find something hard. Excellent. Okay, turn over another tile. We'll just put that beside them. You could just line them up. Oh, what do you need to find?
Bumpy. Oh, where's the coin?
Coins are bumpy. Other things are bumpy too. Okay. So I'm going to pull out a tile. Oh, short. Okay. Your turn. Yes, but this is short that way. Okay, your turn. Few. So you just got to get a few things. Whatever it is, it just has to be a few. 3 to 5. Doesn't even all have to be the same stuff. Yeah.
Pom-pom, one pom-pom. Froggy, I love this.
Good.
I love this. I love the diamonds.
Good. Okay, that's a few.
That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, it could be. One more. Okay, could have one more. Because you just needed to find a few things.
I'm expecting the cute door. Wait, no. Wait, I need my emerald.
Okay, my turn. My turn. Okay, good. So that's there. Let's maybe push it out of the way now. Let's put a few things over here. Okay, my turn. Medium. Oh, this size of pom-pom is medium-sized. Your turn.
Long.
Good. My turn. Single. That means I only have to find one thing. And there is just a single B. So I'll use the B. Okay, so I'm going to go first. And I'm going to say find something bumpy.
Find something bumpy.
Good. Okay, now I'm gonna switch it up.
The coin's like the only.
And I'm gonna say find a couple of soft things.
Find a couple soft things.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, what does a couple mean again? Oh, you.
Good following the instructions. Okay, I'm gonna change it up. Find all the shiny things.
Okay, that's a lot. And find all the shiny.
Mm-hmm.
All the shiny?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
These are all the shinies.
Yep, those, and there's still some more. Like these are pretty shiny.
Yeah,
And I don't know if those are really shiny. But you're right, the gems are shiny. Okay. I would say
shiny.
those are kind of shiny. I probably could put them in that pile too. Okay, ready? Find every heavy thing.
Find every heavy thing. Let's do the key. How about this? I'll do it.
Okay.
It's kind of heavy.
It's a little heavy.
Kind of. Okay.
Okay.
This one's
All right.
This one's kind of actually.
Actually, you're right. That diamond might be the heaviest. Can I try?